we roll it down, vertebrae by vertebrae, and release. And let's go 2 more times. Exhale, we just gonna mobilize the pelvis, mobilize the spine here, in breath. Exhale, roll it down, and activating our hip extensors, which is our hamstrings and our glutes. Again, last one, exhale, we'll lift. Now we're gonna stay at the top here. I'd like you to release your bottom muscle, your glute. So bring the pelvis just off the floor, then curl the pelvis, so what we call it posterior tilt the pelvis, and lift the pelvis up, fire the hip extensors, and release, and then curl, press the hips up, and release, and then curl the pelvis, press the hips up, and release, hinging down, and then curling the pelvis up, and release, hinging, and then curl the pelvis up. So we are going to work a bit deeper into the hip extensors. Your hamstrings and your glutes are going to smile here, and press up. 2 more, and then press up. Last one, and then hold at the top. Now I'd like you to release your right glute only. So hinge down, you drop the right glute down, the right hip down, your knees are still parallel, and then squeeze the right glute up, come back to the bridging position, and then drop the left one, making sure your knees are still pointing forward, and then curl the pelvis, press up, right hip down, and then curl the pelvis, press up, left hip down, and then curl the pelvis, press up, right hip down, and then curl, press up, left hip down, and then curl, press up. 2 more times, and then curl, press up, and left hip down, curl, press up. I know you're gonna feel that burn now, so hang on there. 1 more time. And then press up, we stay, hold that bridging position, press the heels down, lift the toes and the feet up. Hold the pelvis up there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the toes and the feet down. Now press the toes down, lift the heels up. Hold up there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower the heels down. Now we're going to have a bit of a break. Roll the spine down. Well done. Well done. All right, I know you're feeling a hit underneath the thigh. Well done. All right, now lift the right leg up to tabletop. So here, hold that center. Extend the right leg forward. Flex the ankle, bring the leg up. Lower point, bend the knee, and then lower the leg. And again, 3 more. Lift. We extend, dorsiflex, leg up, point, leg down, bend the knee, and lower. 2 more. Lift. Extend, dorsiflex, up, point, bend, lower. 1 more time.